Friends, winter season is always season for non-veg food, chicken, mutton. But if you are tired of eating korma, mutton bhuna, keema or kofte, then you have to try this amazingly delicious recipe. It's a very good combination of vegetable and keema. So watch the recipe and I hope you will love this. A little bit of salt, black pepper, turmeric, red chili powder sharp. You can add any spicy for kebab also. And this soft heat mix. Okay, so this is ready. So cut your eggplants, brinjals like this in tongue shapes and soak them into water for 10-15 minutes. Salt. You can add any spicy for what. Now we will fry these eggplants. Little bit oil. Butter, fresh tomato puree.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get instant notifications of our new video upload.
Salt, black pepper, paprika or chili powder you can add if you garlic, fresh cream, I hope you will try this recipe, and I believe that you will love this. Stay safe, stay healthy, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe. Take care. Nasudania. Allah.